Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to work with the Revolve Cut features. So let's get started. Let's work with the front plane. Now let's extrude it. Let's give it a depth of 50. Let's make it 100 rather. So we have this. Now we want to cut. Let's sketch on our front plane. Let's add a construction line here. Now let's go to features, Revolve Cut. Now axis of revolution, we have this here. Now for our selected contour, you can simply select here, it's already selected. I'll click on our check mark, green good. So we have this cut. Let's go back and edit it. Let's adjust it very well. Ctrl 8. Let's adjust here. First, let me close here up. Let me edit the sketch a little bit. So we have this. We have our cut. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.